So, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to our today's session. आज जो हम करने वाले हैं, we are going to talk about degree of comparison. Okay, we are taking a new topic in the grammar today, which is degree of comparison. इसमें हम क्या करेंगे? You can just understand. We are doing positive degree. हम ये देखेंगे कि what is a positive degree. We will do comparative degree, and we will talk about superlative degree also. Okay. So let us start our first part of the session. So here comes the positive degree. My screen is visible to all of you. Just wanted to take a feedback. Of course, we can talk Ruby maybe after some time. We just started our session. My screen is visible to all of you. Great, great. Okay, great, fine. So we're talking of degree of comparison. We're talking of the first level, that is positive degree. Positive degree है क्या? Okay, positive degree, it is not a comparison. Okay, positive degree just describes the quality of a thing, of a person, or of a animal, whatever. So हम positive degree को descriptive degree भी कह सकते हैं. We also tell it as something which is described in a proper manner. Positive degree are the words which we have already done, and that particular word is adjective. हमने adjective करा हुआ है. The positive degree is the basic form of an adjective. What is adjective? मुझे मैसेज में लिख के बताइए तो. What is an adjective? Please write in the message. We have done adjective. अनामिका, आपको नहीं दिख रही है स्क्रीन, बाकी आई थिंक एवरीबडी एल्स इज व्यूइंग इट. पीपल, अगेन आई वुड लाइक यू टू आंसर. स्क्रीन मेरी दिख रही है सबको? कंटेंट जो स्क्रीन पे है सबको दिख रहा है? सी मुनी रॉय says yes, anamika says no. Yeah, Khushbu, of course it is describing. No, 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 not a verb. No, wrong, Khushbu. It's a totally wrong answer. Thank you everyone saying yes. Everybody is viewing the screen. I think आपके वहां पे कुछ issue है. Try to sort out. uh Adjective, you have to type the answer. Don't raise a hand for the answer. The word which qualifies a noun or a pronoun. Very true. Saloni is giving the correct answer. Okay. Adjective is the word that describes. रविकांत ने कहीं से कॉपी पेस्ट करके लिखा है आंसर. देखो, व्हेन यू कॉपी पेस्ट ना, तो वो ऐसे शो करता है बोल्ड का बोल्ड. एंड या इट इज अ कॉपी पेस्टेड आंसर. Describes a noun. Yes, Priya, it is right. It describes a noun. Adjective tells us something about. Yes, perfect, perfect. Very good, all of you. So, of course, adjectives जो हम रेगुलर यूज करते हैं उनको हम कहते हैं पॉजिटिव डिग्री. एंड दे आर नॉट कंपैरिजन. दे जस्ट क्वालिफाई और दे डिस्क्राइब नाउन इन अ बेटर फॉर्म. ठीक है, चलिए लेट अस मूव ऑन फर्दर. It is used, of course, to describe one noun, that is a place, person, animal, or a thing, without comparing it with anything else. It's not comparison, it is just describing thing, describing a noun. Here are some examples. It says Ram is a tall boy. She is happy today as she's won the competition. The elephant is a strong animal. The room is clean. Okay. My friend is sad today as she lost her pen. लास्ट सेंटेंस में व्हाट इज द एग्जेक्टिव बताइए तो. मैसेज में टाइप करिए. इन द लास्ट सेंटेंस व्हाट इज द एग्जेक्टिव? Asma says sad. Okay, who else? Margi says, Sheetal says, all of this is sad. Parul says sad. Priya says pen. Abhishek, Abhilasha says sad. Ravikant says lost. Ratika, Shalin is saying lost. Kushi Anamika says, Saloni says sad. Manthan says sad. Hanur says sad. Okay. जिन्होंने sad आंसर लिखा है आर करेक्ट. जिन्होंने पेन लिखा है तो पेन इज अ थिंग, इट इज अ नाउन. और जिन्होंने लॉस्ट लिखा है दैट इज अ हैपनिंग, सो दैट इज नॉट एडजेक्टिव और दैट इज नॉट अ पॉजिटिव डिग्री. सो इन द फिफ्थ सेंटेंस पॉजिटिव डिग्री इज SAD, सैड. जैसे सेकेंड में देखो, शी इज हैप्पी टूडे. Okay, so happy is a gesture showing, and here also my friend is sad. Okay, so here we go on with I have interesting content today for all my learners. आपको लगता था ना कि मैम क्लास थोड़ी मोनोटोनस हो रही है, इट इज वेरी कॉमन. तो चलो मैं आप सबके लिए रोल प्ले लाई हूँ. नाउ रोल प्ले इज कनेक्टेड विथ पॉजिटिव डिग्री. मुझे 3 वॉलंटियर्स चाहिए. आई वांट 3 हैंड्स. मैं तीनों के माइक ओपन करूंगी. वन रोल प्ले करेगा नेहा का, दूसरा पर्सन रोल प्ले करेगा अर्जुन का, एंड द थर्ड पर्सन विल प्ले द रोल ऑफ माया. तो आई विल ओपन 3 माइक्स. टर्न बाय टर्न आपके डायलॉग्स आएंगे, आपको वो रोल प्ले करना है. और आपको बहुत इंटरेस्टिंगली वो सेंटेंसेस को जैसे हम बातें करते हैं ना वैसे ही कंडक्ट क्रिएट या बोलना है. Okay, so here are the sentences. They are not very difficult ones. Okay, so yeah, who wants to speak? I want 3 hands. Oh, I have so many. That's great. So let me pick up interesting people. Asma becomes Neha. Hanur becomes the other person, that is Arjun. Okay, Hanur, आप अर्जुन बनोगे. So I open your mic and yeah, please open your mic quickly, Hanur. And the other person that I pick up for the other character is Sheetal. Sheetal, quickly unmute karo khud ko. Sheetal will become Maya. Abhi Hanur, I think, is not unmuted herself, it seems. ठीक है, in that case, I take Vinisa. Yes, Vinisa, unmute your mic. Okay, तो पहले किसका टास्क है? Vinisa becomes Arjun. Okay, again I would say Neha is Asma, Vinisa is Arjun, and the third person, I think Sheetal, is Maya. And your people ka conversation or role play can start now. Start.
Neha. Hey, do you both want to go for a picnic this Sunday?
That sounds like a great idea. The weather has been really pleasant lately.
Yes, and the park near my house is very spacious and green.
Perfect. A quiet and peaceful place will be nice. I just want to relax.
Same here. A day without work and screens will be refreshing.
The garden there is so colorful in the mornings. The flowers look really fresh.
Very nice. Very good reading, all of you. You enjoyed reading?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Chalo, I mute you all. Mute yourself, everyone. Okay? Everyone mute yourself. Everyone muted? Okay. Now I'll just ask you people, which are the words, which are the words that come under the positive degree in the given dialogue? मैसेज में टाइप करके लिखिए. Which are the words that come under, which are the words that come under पॉजिटिव डिग्री? डोंट राइट वन एट ए टाइम विनीसा, राइट एक मैसेज में सारे वर्ड्स. स्क्रीन पे सारे डायलॉग्स है. राइट एक मैसेज में सारे वर्ड्स दैट कम अंडर द पॉजिटिव डिग्री. आई एम गिविंग यू सम टाइम. आराम से यू प्रिपेयर योर मैसेज एंड राइट. एवरीवन, we are having around 33 students here, and I want all of you to write down the words which you feel are positive degree. Yeah, be a little fast because we have more interesting things to do today. Okay, that's great. I see Hanu writing all the words that say spacious, green, pleasant, peaceful, quiet, colorful, refreshing. Okay, pleasant, spacious, yeah, quiet, peaceful, refreshing, fresh. That is written by Fiza. Okay, very nice. Let me see if the others writing or showing what. Others be little fast. Okay, I have Pooja writing spacious. पूजा एक एक मत लिखिए, सब एक मैसेज में सारे लिखिए. Okay, I'll just give 2 more minutes and I'll read the last few words. बोल्ड चलो ना, दिस इज नॉट फेयर. हाँ, आप ऐसा नहीं लिख सकते बोल्ड लेटर्स. यू नीड टू मेंशन दोज लेटर्स. प्लीज एवरीबॉडी म्यूट योरसेल्फ. हु इज अनम्यूटेड हियर? प्लीज म्यूट करिए अपने आप को. You have spacious green written by Vinisha. Margi says great spacious. Okay, fine. Then I have Priya answering. Okay, so I'm just now giving you. I'm just trying to give you. These are the correct answers. These are the words which work as adjective in the given content. तो जो जिन्होंने एक्स्ट्रा लिखे हैं, जिन्होंने ये मिस करे हैं, ऑफ कोर्स प्लेजेंट. प्लेजेंट का मतलब होता है कि वेरी वेरी काम, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, वेरी enjoyable weather. Okay, pleasant lately. Spacious is of course having enough place. Green is color that says about anything or a park, whatever. Here, over here it is talking about the park. Refreshing, of course, it is energizing and fresh. Chalo. Again, I have some dialogues of the same character, but here I will pick up another students. I'll pick up another people to be read. And Namika got a turn. Okay, I pick up Ravi. I pick up Khushbu. Unmute kariye fatafat Ravi and Khushbu. And I would pick up one more, that is Priya. Okay, so Ravi becomes Arjun, Priya becomes Neha, and Khushbu becomes Maya. Start reading.
Let's bring some snacks. My mom makes tasty sandwich.
And I will bring some cold juice. It's always nice to have something cool under the sun.
I will get a few games. The picnic will be more fun if we have something to play.
Agreed. A simple day with friends is always the best.
I can already tell it's going to be a beautiful Sunday.
Very nice. Nice reading, people. Very good. So now I just want you people to understand what the adjectives here are. Okay, positive degree we are talking of. So here the answer is already on the screen. It says tasty, nice, fun, simple, and beautiful. Okay, so these are the positive degree what we are talking about. When I upload this on the channel, everyone, you all will have to make sentences in the comment box in our channel of these adjectives. Tasty, nice, fun, simple, beautiful. इसका तो आप बनाओगे ही. और प्रीवियस स्लाइड में भी जो आपने वर्ड्स देखे हैं, ओके, इफ आई टॉक ऑफ द प्रीवियस स्लाइड्स, तो उसका भी आपको सेंटेंस बनाना है. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई टेक यू बैक इन वर्ड्स के pleasant, spacious, green, refreshing, and fresh. You have to make sentences of these. ठीक है, समझ में आया सबको? Understood everybody? करना क्या है? Once I upload this, please make sentences of these positive degrees or adjectives. Okay. Now we are going to comparison. Okay, अब हम कर रहे compare. What are we doing? एक से दूसरे को compare कर रहे. ओके, अब उसका चलो समझते हैं व्हाट इज कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. सो कंपैरेटिव डिग्री इज यूज्ड टू कंपेयर टू नाउन्स. अब नाउन्स आपको पता है, इट कैन बी नेम, प्लेस, एनिमल, थिंग, कुछ भी हो सकता है, राइट? सो नाउन कैन बी एनीथिंग. हियर इट इज. इट टेल्स अस हाउ वन थिंग इज डिफरेंट. ओके, या तो बड़ा है, या तो छोटा है, या तो और तेज दौड़ता है, या तो स्लो है. ओके, देन अदर. THAN, ओके पीपल, THEN यहाँ पे नहीं होगा। THEN हमें टाइम बताता है। कंपेयर हम जब भी करें तो इट इज ऑलवेज रिटन एज THAN देन, ओके, नॉट THEN देन, ठीक है। कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में हम ये काफी मिस्टेक करते हैं देन और देन में, तो वी आर यूजिंग THAN फॉर कंपेयरिंग एंड यूजिंग द कंपैरेटिव डिग्री। चलिए लेट मी मूव ऑन फॉर दिस एग्जाम्पल्स, हम बातें करते हैं। आपके सामने है यहाँ पे, सी, टॉल एडजेक्टिव है, उसका कंपैरेटिव वर्ड है टॉलर, हमने ER लगा दिया, देखो, टॉल, टॉलर, कोल्ड, कोल्डर, ब्यूटीफुल, उसके साथ हमने लगाया है मोर ब्यूटीफुल, ओके। सैंपल सेंटेंस यहाँ पे है, देखो, रोहन इज टॉलर देन अमित, THAN का फोकस करना। टुडे इज कोल्डर देन yesterday, दिस पेंटिंग इज मोर ब्यूटीफुल देन दैट वन, ठीक है। ये कुछ कंपैरिजन का लॉजिक है। चलिए हम देखते हैं कि कंपैरेटिव डिग्री का प्रोसेस या फॉर्मूला या लॉजिक कैसे, हम कैसे उसको स्पेलिंग्स को हम रेक्टिफाई करें, ओके। फॉर्मिंग अ कंपैरेटिव डिग्री कैसे फॉर्म होती है, सो दीज आर सर्टेन वर्ड्स, ER लगाते हैं। वन सिलेबल एग्जेक्टिव, वन सिलेबल एग्जेक्टिव मतलब जब आप प्रोनाउंस करते हो वो पूरा एक वर्ड लगे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल फास्ट, स्मॉल, यंग, तो उसमें हम लगाते हैं सिंपल ER, ओके। फास्टर, स्मॉलर, लॉन्गर, we are adding ER to the adjective, to the original word, okay. Then what we are doing is one syllable adjective ending with the consonant plus vowel sound, okay. जैसे BIG big, तो G के पहले वावल है, HOT hot, T के पहले वावल है, अगर है तो हम क्या करते हैं, G को रिपीट करते हैं, BIG, और एक G लगाते हैं और ER, HOT और एक T लगाते हैं फिर ER, सो बिगर एंड हॉटर। इसका क्या है, जब कॉन्सोनेंट वावल प्लस कॉन्सोनेंट का लॉजिक हो तो बिग, बी कॉन्सोनेंट है, आई वावल है, G कॉन्सोनेंट है, अगेन H कॉन्सोनेंट है, O वावल है, T कॉन्सोनेंट है, यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग। तो इस तरह से आप ER लगाओगे। मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, जब Y हो, when the adjective is ending with Y, तो हम क्या करते हैं, Y को I से रिप्लेस करते हैं और ER लगाते हैं। जैसे हैप्पी, HAPPY, एंड वी आर राइटिंग Y को रिप्लेस करके I और ER लगा रहे, हैप्पियर। बिजी, BUSY, ओके, सो BUSIER, busier। अब सेम थिंग वी आर डूइंग ओवर हियर, वी आर डूइंग 2 and more syllables में हम क्या लगाते हैं, मोर। ब्यूटीफुल एक पूरा प्रॉपर वर्ड है, वी आर राइटिंग इट एज मोर ब्यूटीफुल। कंफर्टेबल, वी आर राइटिंग इट एज मोर कंफर्टेबल। व्हाट आर सिलेबल्स, उसके लिए आपको थोड़ा सा वेट करना पड़ेगा, आई विल कम अप विद अ चैप्टर ऑन व्हाट आर सिलेबल्स ऑल्सो, या आप थोड़ा सा गूगल महाराज को पूछ सकते हो, यू कैन रिवाइज इन योर बुक्स, या यू कैन जस्ट रन टू गूगल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट सिलेबल्स आर, ओके। आई सी somebody's mic is unmuted, शीतल का है, ओके, डन। चलिए नेक्स्ट व्हाट आई हैव फॉर यू पीपल, अगेन अ skit, वाओ। चलो नाउ दिस टाइम आई एम हैविंग 4 कैरेक्टर्स, सो आई विल पिक अप 4 पीपल टू रीड। सलोनी आपको टर्न मिल गया, जिनको टर्न मिल गया प्लीज डोंट रेज योर हैंड, तो मैं दूसरों को पिक कर सकूं, ओके। लेट अदर्स गेट अ चांस टू रीड। आई थिंक सलोनी आपको टर्न मिल गया है, आई एम लोअरिंग योर हैंड, and Hanur I think was trying but I missed. Ravi आपको मिल गया है, please lower your hand. Ishika is there, Parul is there, okay. Anamika, ठीक है, Anamika unmute करो, and I have Parul, unmute yourself. Hanur, unmute yourself.
आवाज गई, रुक जा।
And I want one more person,
पापा
that
भी
is
नहीं है।
Ishika. Ishika, unmute yourself. चलो,
Yes, ma'am.
now Parul, Anamika is here, yeah, Anamika you will be Ananya.
अब
Parul will
वो
be
हेडफोन से
Ravi.
लगा ले फिर
People don't talk in
जल्दी
between, please. Please don't talk
देखो
in
सुन
between.
रहे माए
I have Hanur over here. Hanur will play the role of the third person, that is Mehul. And Sania role will be played by, I think, who's the next person after that? Hanur के बाद
Ishika.
कौन? Ishika. Yes, Ishika.
Yes,
So सबको रोल समझ में आ गया अपना अपना?
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Your dialogue is coming up. Yeah.
Excuse me. That trip to the museum yesterday was amazing, but I think the science section was more interesting than the history section.
Hmm. Parul, you are Ravi.
Oh, okay. I agree. The science exhibit were better than I expected.
Really? I liked the history part more than the science one. It was quieter and the models were more detailed.
Yeah, but the science zone was definitely more fun. The robot display was way cooler than the old paintings.
True. Also, the crafterial there was cleaner than the one at our school.
So it is cafeteria. Cafeteria is the place where you have coffee. Okay. Perfect. So I quickly mute all of you and I proceed with the session. Yeah. Great. So yeah, of course it was a great reading. But one of you जो अनन्या का रोल प्ले कर रहा था, आप रिवाइज नहीं कर रहे हो, आपको अपनी आवाज रिकॉर्ड करके प्रैक्टिस करनी है. ओके, सो प्लीज डू दैट. अदरवाइज इट वाज अ गुड रीडिंग. एक्सप्रेशन सबके मिसिंग थे. यू कुड हैव गिवन लिटिल मोर एक्सप्रेशंस एज हम बातें करते हैं वैसे. ओके, moving on to the next part of this, let me quickly pick up another part of this dialogue and I'll pick up another 4 people for continuation of this. And the ones who have got a turn will not raise the hand. Please don't raise the hand. Saloni, Ravi, don't raise the hand. Khushbu, have you got a turn? I am doubtful. Khushbu, तुझे turn नहीं मिली है शायद. Okay. I pick up Khushbu. I pick up Pooja. Pooja, Khushbu, quickly unmute करो. Khushbu, quickly unmute. Pooja, unmute. And I have Sarika to participate. Yes, Sarika. Unmute. Pooja, आपने unmute नहीं करा. And I want one more person who's not got a turn. I am not okay. I got. It says RJ Neha. Yes. Please unmute Neha. So are there 4 people? Are there 4 people? I have Khushbu. I have Sarika. I have Neha. I think one person was not able to unmute. Let me pick up another person. नामिका को टर्न मिल गया शायद, नहीं मिला. आई एम नॉट अवेयर. हनूर, या हनूर करो अनम्यूट क्विकली. आप कर नहीं रहे हो अनम्यूट. ओके, सो हनूर विल प्ले द रोल ऑफ रवि. नेहा विल प्ले द रोल ऑफ मेहुल. Sarika will play the role of Sanya, and another person will play the role of Ananya. Start.
And the food was cheaper too. I paid less for a full meal.
Mehul. The bus ride was longer than I tough. I wish it was shorter.
but it was still more comfortable than the last school trip. The old bus had smaller seats.
So overall, this trip was better than the zoo visit last month, right? Definitely.
Very nice. Very good. Very good. Good readers, huh? Very good. All of you mute yourself. Come on. Quickly mute. Very good. I hope you are enjoying this way of learning. Just put a thumbs up or in the comment box write yes, so that I will make more such creative content for all of you. This was a good way of learning to all of you. But the people, when you're revising, do practice on the channel. And let me see what I have next for you all. Chalo. The next for you all are all the comparative degree of this particular role play dialogue. Okay, so this is it. It says more interesting. You have to make sentence with more interesting when you're watching this on the channel. It says better, more detailed, cooler, cleaner, cheaper, longer, shorter, more comfortable, and smaller. These are some comparative degree words. Okay? So you have to make proper sentences when you're watching the video as a revision video. Okay? And people, I am giving you a writing task to all of you. Okay? थोड़ा homework भी आज से मैं देना शुरू करूंगी. The writing task is you have to write your own short dialogue comparing two places, people or things using comparative adjectives. ठीक है? आप चाहे दो पीपल का कंपैरिजन करो या दो जगह का कंपैरिजन करो. ओके, सो वॉट एवर यू फील लाइक, आपको जिसका भी कंपैरिजन करना हो. एंड पीपल यू हैव टू राइट डायलॉग्स. जैसे अभी आपने देखे, डायलॉग्स आर बिटवीन 2 और मोर पीपल. तो आप 3 पीपल का डायलॉग बना सकते हो, 5 का डायलॉग बना सकते हो. ओके, सो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नो डायलॉग मेकिंग प्रॉपरली? बना लोगे? मैसेज बॉक्स में लिख के बताइए. कर लोगे डायलॉग राइटिंग? हनूर सेज यस. खुशबू क्यों नहीं कर पाओगे? खुशबू ट्राई तो करो. पिज्जा सेज यस. ओके, वंशिका अनामिका इज विथ यस. ट्राई करें. मुनी सेज ट्राई. ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन ट्राई. यू शुड ट्राई. ओके, यू शुड ट्राई. आप थोड़ा सा गूगल सर्च करो इंग्लिश, थोड़ा सा बुक्स रिफर करो. हाउ विल यू सी? ऑफ कोर्स यू विल हैव टू पुट इट इन द चैनल. आप डायलॉग लिखोगे ना प्रॉपर, एक बार चेक, ग्रामर चेक वगैरह करके पुट इट इन द चैनल. आई विल सी इट करेक्टेड फ्रॉम द चैनल. ठीक है, कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखना है आपको. ओके, आई हैव मेड इट बिफोर. सो ओ ग्रेट पारुल, दैट्स ग्रेट. आई विल ट्राई. महक सेज ओके, ट्राई अंटिल यू सक्सीड. ओके, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि फर्स्ट ट्राई में नहीं हुआ, सेकंड ट्राई करो, थर्ड ट्राई करो, बट अल्टीमेटली यू शुड डू इट. ओके, ऐसा नहीं कि यू डोंट डू इट, यू शुड डू इट. फाइन. Okay, now you can just put your hands down, everybody. Yeah, Salonika hand also goes down. Everybody, in this session, okay, Saloni wants to say something. Yeah, Saloni, tell me. Oh, sorry, it is Shefali. Yeah, Shefali, quickly tell me. Okay, Shefali is gone down. Khushbu is up. Yeah, Khushbu, tell me. What are you raising your hands for? Sarika, Khushbu, क्या हुआ? चलो. You understood till here, people? What do you have to do? Okay, so we are not going into this. Let me just stop my screen share. Okay, coming back to our session. Now, people, we will start 2-minute talk for all of you. Okay, and I will give you the topic. You will have to go with the 2-minute talk. How many of you want to do the 2-minute talk? Raise your hand. जिनको 2-minute talk करनी है, raise your hand quickly. Or else, okay, Ishika says one, Vinisha says yes, okay. Saloni says yes. Who else? Parul is okay with the 2-minute talk. Khushbu is okay. What about many other people? I have so many people here in the session. I don't get new hands. These are very common people who always are interested. What about Rabia? What about Pooja Mishra? I don't see their hands. I don't see them participating. I have more people. If I name them, I would name some of them telling Pallavi Gupta. Then I have Yash. Then I have uh, many other. Nikhat is there. I have so many. It says Anju, Bala, so many other. क्यों participate नहीं कर रहे हो आप लोग? 43 people, not even 10 hands coming up. चलो, those who are interested, उनसे बातें करते हैं. Those who are silent learners, be a silent learner. The first person that I would pick up is Ishika. Ishika, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Ishika, your topic is you have to talk about something. Ishika, आप student हो or you are a professional?
It's been a year since I've graduated, and currently I'm doing digital marketing in NV Shopee.
That's great. So let me talk more to you about the difference in advertisement today and maybe 5 years back. How was the 5 years back advertising world and how is the advertising world today? Your 2 minute starts now. So it is a
Okay.
comparison talk. So you have to compare both, huh?
Okay, ma'am. So 5 years back, let's say we'll keep it as 2019. So it was before COVID. Before COVID, the internet usage of technology was much uh, slower or lighter than we are using today. Only in COVID, we started using all the technologies for, be it for school education purposes or for shopping purposes. Only after 2020, we started using technology more, and AI tools were created. So now we are using AI as a complement to advertise more. Now we have influencers who promote products on social media, and in every home there is phone. There is no home which does not use technology. So previously we have to spend more on advertising, be it from newspaper or television media or like that, but like pamphlets in hand. But now currently there's no, all those costs have been reduced only using a technology like for example, let's say phone. Only if we click a button, it goes all over the world. Like by using social medias, if we just press one click, it goes all around the world. People who don't follow us also can see what we are doing. So it's a great way, and AI is also supporting us very much.
You
Yes,
have
ma'am.
just 40 seconds left if you want to talk more. 40 seconds you still have.
Mm, mm,
Okay.
I just
Yeah, bolo, bolo.
previously the cost which we used to spend on advertisement was much higher than we are spending it now, because now we are just spending on the recharge of internet, but everything we can do it on our own. We have so much tools. Like if we don't have money, but if you want to still advertise for your product, you can do it all by yourself. Like we have Compliant as Canva, then all those video editing prompts, and obviously social media is free. So if you just do it by yourself and promote it by yourself, the advertising cost is pretty much low than what we
Okay,
used to
okay.
do
That's
before.
that's great, Ishika. I see you have a very good hold over the language, and it already showcases an intermediate level skill. And I really want you to bring in some idioms and proverbs to make it an advanced level
Oh,
logic. Okay, very
okay,
nice.
ma'am.
Very nice,
Next
Ishika.
time.
Yeah. Chalo, now I take Vinisha. Vinisha, quickly unmute yourself. Come on. Vinisa, you have to talk about the friends. Okay? You have to compare friends today and friends in the past. Okay? How were the nature of the friends in the past? How are the nature of the friends today? Okay? So you have to compare friends today and the past friends. Will you be able to do it, Vinisa?
Yes.
And your time starts now.
Past friends were some more active, but now my friends were not that active.
Hmm.
Only they are active in our sports period or any PT period.
Okay.
Last time our friends were active in dispersal, sports period, and every period when we are free. But
Hmm.
now we are not that much active.
Hmm.
Last friends were talk. Most of us talk in Hindi, but now when I come in big high school,
Hmm.
some big school,
Hmm.
they all are talking in English,
Hmm.
and they don't talk about that not important things. They talk about only important. Sometimes they call also, but past students never call
Hmm.
and take each other numbers.
Hmm.
Past students were only focus on our friendship or our studies, but now my friends were more focused on study, not more in our friendship.
Hmm.
Mm,
Very nice,
some
Vinisa. Very nice try. It was a nice topic for you and you justified it as per your age very nicely. Great going, Vanessa. Very great. So you miss your friends? They don't talk now these days. They talk only studies, is it?
Yes.
Okay. Great. Very nice talk. Keep
Only
it up.
sometimes they talk in dispersal.
Okay. Okay. Great. Nice. Okay. Let me now pick up Saloni. Yes, Saloni, as per the sequence, you are the next person. Please unmute.
Good evening, ma'am.
सलोनी आप प्रोफेशनल हो कि कैसे आप हाउसवाइफ हो क्या बता सकते हो थोड़ा
Student.
आप स्टूडेंट हो ओके ओके ग्रेट तो सलोनी यू टॉपिक इज यू हैव टू कंपेयर टेक्नोलॉजी टुडे एंड टेक्नोलॉजी टुमारो पहले के दो स्टूडेंट ने कंपेयर करा विद द पास्ट टेंस आपको करना है विद द फ्यूचर ओके आपको बताना है कि टेक्नोलॉजी आज और टेक्नोलॉजी कल कैसे हमको काम आएगी कर पाओगे विल यू बी एबल टू टॉक फॉर 2 minutes ऑन दिस
Okay, ma'am. I try to do it.
For sure, of course you try. Chalo, your time starts now.
We all know that our technology is very modern and our technology is growing development by our scientists and our technology present if we talk about our present technology is more comfortable is making comfortable our life is making very easier to survive in this life in this generation we take any examples we take any examples in any fields like in study we can study in a online mode we study in mobile with mobiles but if we talk about our future technology, we will see that in future with our robots will be teach students. Many labs and only online modes. Not student go will coaching and other extracurricular activities will do. I think the future technology is not more comfortable. Is not it will be make the student lazy because in our present technology the student will be do physical activities it do extracurricular activities but in future they only use online modes they only use the technology they only used to do our life may easier I am only talking about our student life because it is important to know that student is an important student of the future of India and matlab, sorry man.
Yeah, you're going very good. Don't give up. Don't give up. You just have 6 seconds.
Okay, ma'am. So the technology of present is normal,
Great,
but
great.
few.
So the time is up. Time is up. That's a very good way. You went on very nicely. क्यों बीच में give up कर रहे थे? Why you were giving up in between? Chalo, great, great. It was a great way of communicating. I see a lot of people now confidently speaking, huh? At a stretch, they're speaking. Very good. Let me pick up Parul now. Yes, as per the sequence, she is there. Unmute yourself.
Hello.
Okay. So your topic is you have to talk on the skills that you may need in the upcoming days. Okay. The creative skills that you have today and what are the skills that you may need in the future. Will you be able to talk?
Yes.
And your time starts now.
The skills we have today, like we can like study and we can do lots of stuff, but in the future we might need new skills in like in a new manner and it would like and we're still learning. So the skills
Your
would
voice is
grow
breaking
as
in between. Your voice is breaking in between. Okay, continue, continue.
so like in the future we might need to learn new languages and stuff and we might we might need to change something to get like
You might need to
to
change what? You might need to develop what? Change what? Your voice is a little bit breaking in the main keywords. Yeah, continue properly.
to develop like new mind skills
Yeah.
and and like to think more and not give up easily. In the future, there might be robots, so we might need to learn new languages to talk to them.
Okay, Parul, your time is up. Acha, Parul, tell me one thing. How are you connecting? Are you connecting with the link directly through another device, or you're having two logins in the same device, or you have somebody sitting with you in the nearby place using another device with the same login? Because there is a bit of disturbance and your voice breaks in between. So, how are you using this link? How do you join this link?
So, on like the WhatsApp app,
Anybody else is
I just
sitting
joined
beside
it.
you and logging it
No,
through any other device? Is that so?
no,
Okay,
no.
okay, fine. Yeah, great talking, Parul. But as I said, you have to be a little bit quick thinker and you have to a little bit quick speaker. Okay. Otherwise, it was great. Mindset skills, of course, you need more. But what particular mindset? Okay, you have to know a bit more on that.
Mhm.
Okay. I would now pick up Sarika. Yes, Sarika, please unmute quickly. I don't think Sarika is here. Sarika, one more turn I'm giving you. Quickly unmute. If you are here, your hand is up. I don't think she's here. Khushbu, coming to you, Khushbu. Are you there? Is Khushbu there? Khushbu, are you here in the session?
Yes, ma'am.
खुशबू कहाँ से हो आप?
I'm from Kolkata.
खुशबू इज फ्रॉम कोलकाता. सो खुशबू केमन आछो? बंगाली हो आप के नहीं?
ভালো।
ভালো আছো? ग्रेट ग्रेट. चलो, आपका टॉपिक वुड बी you have to talk about, how people are taking care of the health today and how they were taking care of the health in the past. Okay, so what did they do? They were lethargic, they did not take care of the health in the past. Okay, today they have become very conscious. So you have to compare health and you have to talk about the past and today. Will you be able to do it, Khushbu?
Yes, ma'am. We'll try.
For sure. And your time starts now.
At first, an earlier age, people are not so much doing for their health, but they are happy, they are healthy because at that time the food was so good. The grains they eat was so good. That's why people of that era was so healthy and there is no any harm of their health from that types of from that grains because there is no preservative that time, and in this time we use so much chemical, so much polluted grains, vegetables, fruits, all things are um, full of germs. Uh, because of these things our health is also mm, our health is also affected by this. At earlier time, persons are wizard. They have magical powers because of the grains, 100% natural grains, and now we couldn't uh, got that type of grains, vegetables, fruits, anything. and we are so cowardly
Okay,
that
that is your
in this
time up.
time.
That is your time up, Khushbu. So how did you feel, Khushbu, talking so much at a stretch? You felt happy?
So much happy, ma'am.
हाँ, you felt very happy. That's great.
Yes,
थोड़ा सा
ma'am.
टॉपिक डाइवर्ट हो रहा था. We were talking of health, and you were a little bit talking about food and grains and all that. But yeah, that can be manageable. Good try. Very good try. Until and unless you try,
Thank
you
you
won't
so
be able
much,
to.
ma'am, for giving the chance. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Keep on learning, keep on recording and evaluating. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Now, the next person I would like to talk to is Asma. Asma, quickly unmute. Come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Asma, you are a student or you're a professional? What are you?
I'm student, ma'am.
Okay, Asma, you have to just talk about the transportation system, okay, that we have today, and how do you think the transportation system will develop in the next 5 years? So, good to go. Are you ready for the topic?
Yes, ma'am. I will try.
Okay, great. And your time starts now.
Now transportation is very fine. For example, like metro, like buses, electronic buses, and bikes, something else. Now, upcoming days will be more transportation will become, which will improve with technology. Like, for example, in Japan, the bullet train is there. The technology is fine more than ours. I think we will be in future the bullet trains and another more technology like aid buses and electronic buses like something without bikes will be without petrol or diesel. The
True.
air buses will be going to be more explorable everywhere, and the comfortable travel journeys with comfortable transportations. I think India will be going to be find this technology. I hope India will be going to more technology will be improved and we will go and compete with other transportation like Japan technology, China technology. I hope we will find in future technology.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
No, you still have time. You have 15 seconds. You can talk about the Ola Uber facilities that we have now.
Yeah.
We've had
Yes,
these,
ma'am.
yeah,
Like,
you talk. You have 10 seconds now.
yes, ma'am. Rapid. For example, transportations like we will take only buses now. Upcoming now this
Okay,
present
your
days.
time is up. Your time is up. That's great.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Great talking, great listening to you. And let me now pick up Sheetal quickly, and then I'll just pick up Anur, and then we pause the session. Sheetal, quickly unmute if you're there. Yeah, Sheetal, and your topic is
Good evening,
you
ma'am.
have, good evening, dear. You have to talk about the lifestyle of the people that they have today and the lifestyle they had in the past. People now don't raise your hand. Now Hanur will be the last person for today. Okay, Mehek can now talk in the next session. I'll just pick up two more people today. That is Sheetal and Hanur. Yes, Sheetal, your the topic is okay, Sheetal,
Yes, ma'am.
and your time starts now.
Yes, ma'am. I will talk first about today's lifestyle.
Hmm.
Today's lifestyle is more busy than before because people are so busy in today's life.
Hmm.
All are doing different things. All are doing one or three work at a time. But in earlier time, there was only one work. One human being is doing only one work, and there is no that much busy or rush in today's time.
Hmm.
Mm,
So when we talk of lifestyle, you can talk about the eating habits. You can talk about the
yeah,
clothing habits, Okay, lot of things are there when you talk of lifestyle.
Yes, ma'am. Now all are using modern types of clothes to wear, but before they used only traditional
Hmm.
wearing,
Hmm.
and food were also that time all are eating so healthy, and today all are eating more junk food, and health is in before all health is good, but today all are suffering from some disease, mental,
Okay, so you mean to
physical.
say it was health is wealth wala logic. Pehle
Yes,
the health
ma'am.
was wealth, properly maintaining. Now they are not.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Hmm.
Um, and because of technology, there is more health problems.
Okay.
Mm,
You have some more seconds? Yeah.
okay.
Hmm.
Um, and mm, that much only, ma'am.
You want to give up? Chalo, theek hai. No
Yes.
worries. I pause your time. You had,
Okay.
I'll just tell you 13 seconds left. It was just 13
Okay.
seconds. Anyways, let me pick up now. Good try, Sheetal. Keep it up. Good try.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
I would pick up quickly Hanur. Yes, Hanur, quickly unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
So your topic is you have to talk about um, television. How much people watch television now and how much they used to watch in the past. Is it okay? Are you comfortable talking?
Yes, ma'am.
Your time starts now.
In the previous times, the people watched television like in a village there was one television, but now we have televisions like in every house. In the past, the people used to watch like television by getting together, and there was one television in a village, and then uh, there were there were limited channels, and now we have so many channels and so many apps in the television, and we have a, a television in every house. And in the previous times the people used to watch and movies and
Yeah,
movies and
then what?
serials, and now people watch like YouTubers making their channels, and
You can also say that the television in the past were just like boxes, big boxes.
they
Television
were
today have,
color
yeah. Today the
black and
televisions. Hmm. Hmm.
and the people.
Okay, so here goes your time. Great. So are you practicing nicely? I know good talk. You gave a good talk, but yeah, of course you had to frame it. So you need to little bit more practice on framing your content.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, good, good. So people, I'm really happy that we had a great session today. All of you, as of now, I would just say a bye and good night to all of you. See you people all in the next class on Saturday. Bye everyone. Good night. I'll put the recording just now in 10 minutes. See that you write the answers, dialogue, make sentences. Okay? Everyone, bye bye. Good night.